Hello everyone, welcome back to our Nerd channel. Hello guys, today I'm going to review the Philips Perfect Care Elite Plus, as you can see. So here is one, it comes with removable water tank. Yes, this is the removable water tank. Yeah, there's some water left inside. And it's very easy to put. Just put like this one. And that's it. Okay. Yeah, and if you want to pull again, watch it carefully. Put like this. Okay. You don't have to press anything. Just put like that. Okay. Just pull it. Okay. And then remove. Just like this. It's very easy, right? And then yes, you can put some water. Okay guys, as you can see, it reaches 1.8 liters. Okay, it reaches 1.8 liters already. Okay, as you can see the water and the level, and can you see the line? Okay, it's already reached the maximum is 1.8 liters. Make sure that it's dry. Okay, so you need to wipe it dry first before you return it back to the main machine. All right, it well, make sure it's dry. All right, as you can see, we put the water. Can you see that one? Yeah, we put the water in there. And then if it is already 1.8 liters, okay, that's good. Okay, that's very good. Plug. Okay, as you can see. All right, you can see the three symbols here, ECO, and this one, and then the tap. It's dynamic, right? Okay, so anyway, you have to press this one in the middle if you want to turn on, and if you want to turn off, press it too, the same. Okay, this one you have to press if you want to use, and turn off if you stop. Now let's turn on. Let's turn it on. Okay, I'll press this one. Okay, as you can see, it's beeping, so I have to close it. Okay, it means something wrong. All right, so let's try. Okay, and then press this one again. Okay, now it's working. That's very good. And as you can see, can you hear the sound? Yeah, that one is, it's normal. Okay, when you can hear that sound, okay, it means it's normal. Okay, don't have to worry. Okay, and you'll see the blue light there, and then you will see the blue light there too under. As you can see, it's preparing. It means it's ready. Okay, so you have to press this one. Okay, press it. It's unlock. Okay, lock, and press this one, unlock. All right, and then leave it up. Okay, and then try first. All right, so try again. So the water not ready. Okay, okay, as you can see. Okay, one more. All right, do you know what? I don't know how to iron. You know, this one is very smart. Any kind of fabric, you know, you don't have to worry because it won't burn. Synthetic or natural fabric, this one is very good. It can adjust. Okay, it won't burn at all, you know, your fabric. So you don't have to worry. Even you leave it there like that for a long time, you don't have to worry. It's very safe. This is very smart flat iron. This is flat iron for the new generation. Okay, okay, anyway, I'm going to iron my son's laboratory gown. He's in his third year university in a medical department. Okay, he's taking medical course at Chulalongkorn University. All right, so I'll try to iron this one. Okay, this one is made of cotton. Okay, this one is made of cotton. It's cotton material. Okay, so I'll start with this one color. Okay, I will try to iron this one first. Okay, press it first, and then, well, anyway, if you don't press this one, okay, the water will not come out. Okay, water, it won't come out. It won't come out, and it takes time to flatten it. Okay, it takes time. Okay, but if you open this one, if you press it like this, okay, you will see the light, the white light. So it's automatic. Okay, it's automatic, as you can see. Yeah, right? Yeah, so I don't have to press under. But anyway, if you don't want to use the water, you can just turn it off. Okay, but if you want to, you know, to iron very fast, to iron like, okay, like a pro, okay, just like that, okay, you have to press this one. Okay, you will see the white light, it means it's ready. Okay, so now you see I can iron very fast. So I cannot hold my camera, so I have to hold like this. All right, so you can see. So anyway, here, you know, you don't have to iron back to back. You can just iron just like this. Okay, just flatten it. Okay, you don't have to iron it again. That is only one time. It's like this. You know, you iron only in front. You know, I want to tell you, at the back of this, it's also flat, you know? Yeah, right, it's not smooth. At the back too, it's not smooth. So here, let's try this one. You see, I see the speed. I'm not expert at ironing, but you can see, wow, it's cool. It's very easy. All you have to do is just tap this one. Okay, tap it. Okay, this is very good for the busy people. It's perfectly good, no problem. This one is because you can save a lot of time. You know, before I use 3 hours, you know, every weekend I use 3 hours to iron the clothes, but now it's in just half an hour. So done all the clothes in 1 week. So it's very easy. So it's very good. We have this kind of technology in the modern world. You know, in the modern world, many people very busy, like don't have the time to do other things, right? Don't have the time to do other things. So yeah, you have to be thankful that the new technology like Philips, okay, Philips, very good. It makes our life comfortable. Yeah, it makes our life very comfortable. Very good. And now let's try to iron this fabric. Okay, it's very thin. It's nylon. Okay, this one is nylon. Let's see. Let's see. We're using this. It will burn or not. Let's see. Oh wow, that's very good. You see, it's very thin. Okay, yeah, and as you can see, it won't stick. It won't stick, and very easy to iron. Yeah. All right, that's cool. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's very easy. It won't stick, and you don't have to worry that your nylon will burn. Okay, just like what I've said, any kind of fabrics you can iron. Okay, this one is very smart. You don't have to adjust. Okay, you don't have to adjust the temperature. It can adjust by itself automatically. It's really great. One more thing, don't forget, you have to, okay, that's it. When you think you still have, okay, no more. All right, and then leave like this upside down. Okay, yeah, leave like this. Okay, and let it dry. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, bye for now.